The most dangerous sentence in personal finance is I want to keep my money safe, so I will not invest. It sounds logical, but it is mathematically wrong. If you lock your money in a cupboard or in a low interest bearing account, you aren't keeping it safe, you are letting inflation eat it alive. Petrol, milk, school fees, the prices go up 7% every year. If your money grows only at 3%, you are becoming poorer every single day. So, to my understanding, the choice isn't between risk and safety. The choice is between managed risk or guaranteed loss. Now, I know why you are scared. You hear stories of people losing lakhs in the stock market. And you know why they lose? Because they tried to drive a Formula One car before learning how to ride a bicycle. Investing is exactly like driving. You don't jump into the highway on day one, you follow a progression. Let me show you the 4 levels of investing. Level 1 is for everyone. It's the SIP mode. Think of this like taking an Uber or a bus. You want to reach a destination but you don't know how to drive. So what do? You pay a small fee to a professional driver. In investing, this driver is the fund manager. You give your money to a mutual fund via SIP. The expert decides which stock to buy, when to sell. You just sit back and relax. Enjoy the ride. This is the safest way to start. You don't need knowledge, you just need discipline. Once you have some money in SIPs, you might want returns or more control. Welcome to the level 2, which is research baskets. This is like driving a car with a driving instructor next to you. You are holding the steering wheel, but you are following the instructions of an expert. So while investing through research baskets, you subscribe to a trusted research house or a model portfolio. They tell you buy this 10 stock in this proportion. So you execute the trade. You don't need to analyze the balance sheet yourself. You rely on their research. It's great for people who want to own stocks but don't have time to track the market. Now comes level 3, which is direct equity. This is solo driving. You're on the highway alone. You need to know how to read the road sign, get investigative charts, check the engine, which is the balance sheet, and predict the weather, which is market sentiment. So you should only enter this level when you have learned the fundamental analysis. If you buy a stock just because someone told you, that's not driving. This is driving blindfolded. Enter this level only when you are willing to give time to research. And finally, level 4, which is derivatives or future and options. You must have heard FNO. This is Formula One racing. It's high speed, high thrill, and extremely dangerous. One wrong turn, your tire bursts, and the crash can destroy your career. Derivatives are for experts only. These are hedging tools for people who know exactly what they are doing. 9 out of 10 retail investors lose money here because they treat it like a lottery ticket. My advice, unless you are a professional racer, stay happy with your comfortable sedan at level 1 or level 2. You will still reach your destination safely. So don't say investing is risky. Uneducated investing is risky. Start at level 1, start your SIP. Once you get comfortable, maybe look at research baskets. But don't rush to the racetrack. If you want to learn how to master level 1 and level 2, make sure you subscribe to this channel. My goal is to make you a safe, smart driver of your own money. Hit the bell icon so that you don't miss the upcoming learnings. Drive safe, invest safe.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.